Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis with Clumpin' Stampers here, and I am back for another one of my weekly Stampin' Made Simple quick tips video. Today is pretty quick, but I think it's a lesson that's going to help you in a lot of your stamping. My question is, do you struggle trying to figure out what colors to put together and what colors look good together? Well, let me show you a tip that's really helped me putting some colors together. Hang on a second, I'm going to flip the camera so that I can show you what I'm talking about. So what do you think of this card? We've got Emerald Envy, Knighted Navy, Lemon Lime Twist, and Soft Sky. These are definitely colors that I would never put together. They're not I like the colors, but I would never put them together. So what prompted me to put them together? I just looked at DSP. Now I didn't use the DSP, but I pulled out paper from the Naturally Eclectic DSP because it's one of my favorites. I loved how these colors look together. And like I said, I'd never put them together, but these papers just really inspired me. So I started out by grabbing all the ink pads. Okay, these are all the colors that are in these papers. How did I know that? Because I have my handy dandy little chart here, and in my blog post that has this video, and I'll put a link in the video to the blog post, I will put links to these so that you can download and print these as well. Every time we get a new catalog, I make a chart like this that shows all the different DSPs along with all of the colors, because Stampin' Up's got fabulous artists and I'm not an artist. But if I look at how they put colors together, and they always look gorgeous in the papers, I figure they're gonna look gorgeous for me too. So I grabbed my Naturally Eclectic, that's hard to say, DSP, because I loved what the colors look like. Pulled out my chart, and it's like, here's all the colors. So I grabbed all the pads and I started figuring out what I was going to stamp. This one happens to have a ton of colors, but I ended up wanting to make more of a masculine card, so I went with Knighted Navy, Soft Sky, Emerald Envy, and Lemon Lime Twist, and I really like how these went together. So I've used the colors here, and then when we open it up, I've carried the colors to the inside. Super quick and easy card. I was using Heart Happiness. Now, Valentine's Day is long over. Don't forget that we can still use hearts, okay? Hearts are just a great way to make cards. I just love you. Send this to someone for any reason, okay? It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. And then my words came from Petal Passion. This is or Petal Palette, I'm sorry. This is one of my favorite stamp sets right now for the greetings in it. But I will have pictures of this card as well as links to download these sheets, plus a list of all of the supplies I use and dimensions so that you can create this card as well. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. And if you're looking for a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be that person. Let me know how I can help you. And if you need to order Stampin' Up! Products, especially some of these gorgeous papers or the products to make this card, I would really appreciate it if you select me to be your demonstrator. Again, I'll have the link in the video. So I hope you enjoy this quick tip and that you venture out of those colors that you tend to put together and try something different by just using color combinations that you find in the different designer series papers. So have a stamp happy day.